Okay. Students, are you ready? Yes. No sound.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. I hope you had very nice snacks.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's what I expect. Yes, the
Yes, sir.
answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So I think based upon your enthusiasm now, I think you are ready for discussion. So we have to appoint one person as the moderator. Uh, so in the meantime, I will just explain about the case, not with the PowerPoint. So this case, I think one second. This case is about the wedding planners. I think you know, in case of entire India, the concept of wedding planner started late, especially in case of business. And today's case is very interesting one. One of the entrepreneur, they started the wedding planner. They mentioned as rings and roses. And as per the statistics, they mentioned that so far they organized more than 300 plus weddings. To my surprise, especially in case of Bangalore, and their income is purely from the wedding planner, event management only. How to organize the wedding planner? Now there are more number of wedding planners are coming. Assuming that your your venture is the wedding planning, you are entering into the wedding planning. That is your assumption. So even though you are having different ideas, now change your ideas and now you assume that you are a wedding planner. You are going to start up the business. The venture name is wedding planner. So unlearn everything. I know you are having very good idea. Those ideas you can bring that one after 4:30 till 4:30. The entire team of you have to change. Assume that you are a nice entrepreneur and your venture is the wedding planning. You have to identify the wedding planning and you will fix the price and what you can do the event management. That is your role. Okay. If you are choosing this one as your career, maybe some of you are having as a secondary unit like wedding planning or event management. If you are selecting this wedding planner as your career, what will be your business model? In there are three type of business model we have discussed. One is primary plan. That is the core thing by selling your ideas and getting or selling your products. Then secondary thing. There are number of secondary business models we have discussed, even though we used to call it as digital entrepreneurship. And this is most common nowadays using websites, different model we have discussed, razor bladder, disintermediation. You also mentioned number of things in your answer we have discussed. And third model we have discussed today, the startup model. If you doesn't know the prices, how you will fix. Okay. So in my view, you have to try to tell at least among these three sub content you are able to tell two business model. One, definitely you have to tell your primary model in wedding plan, how you are going to fix the price. That is very important. Wedding planner, we can't say this is the price because I expect my son wedding should be in a different method. You expect your wedding in a different manner. As a parent, I am having a different view. I am ready to pay only few amount. You as an bride or bridegroom, you may expect, you may have a very good dream. You may expect, okay, I will appoint a wedding planner like that. So I am expecting this thing in my wedding. We are going for a different type of wedding, even background, everything, theme-based wedding, everything is quite common. You may assume. Your relatives may assume differently. So as a wedding planner, you have to satisfy how you are going to fix the price. I once upon a time there was one Hindi film in the wedding planner also. Hmm? I think some of you might have seen or ask your dad. Hmm? In my age, they might have seen the wedding planner. Hmm? Nice film in Hindi. You used to saw that film twice, thrice. Hmm? In those days itself, we find it, oh, for the purpose of wedding planner, there's a separate group is there, event management. Okay. So that is the background. Yeah. Once the moderator has been appointed, you can communicate, chat with the moderator, either in the Zoom or in case of even in WhatsApp, you can inform him and he will tell who is going to give the views. Okay. So you have to tell clearly how you will identify your business wedding planner, how you will charge in the business model, and what will be your secondary model. Okay. These three things you have to tell, because during this COVID period also there are a number of weddings are going on. Some of my students, they are saying that, sir, we got married, why we are unable to come to your marriage? You got married now? Yes, sir, we got married. We will meet after this COVID period, they are telling. And these COVID marriages are now uh, happening quite in a different method. Even the theme, mask theme, even there's a golden mask available nowadays for wedding. Mhm. I have seen one of the photograph recently. One of my student studied in KJC, their wedding. You can see in the mask they put one grand golden color embroidery or something. Then I asked, no, sir, it is only gold. It is temporarily made for this purpose. See, because we are not having huge expenses during the COVID pandemic. Something different in case of wedding planners. That is why I selected. So bring your ideas. Who is going to be the moderator? Yes, anybody come forward?
I'll be, sir.
Yes, Ahmad. Good, Ahmad. Ahmad is going to be the moderator. No, no. Okay. Good, Ahmad. You can switch on your. I will give you the permission as a co-host. Now, students, you can inform him who is going to present first or second. Ahmad, what is your number?
19 PS 201001.
Okay, okay, I seen you. Yes. Okay, he is the co-host now. Now you can inform him about who is going to present. So I expect your presentation. Usually, in case of MBA students, we will ask to present in a poster or at least write in a paper. They will show some diagrams, everything. They will show directly. But I think from your side, you are not doing like that. And you are all good science students, you know, diagram nice. Hmm? And something is missing. Hmm? Maybe that is the drawback of virtual classroom. I hope for this case study you will do. Okay. Yes. Now over to Ahmad, you can ask your students.
Yes, sir. I'm waiting for them to tell who wants to go first.
Yes. Anybody replied?
No, sir.
Or you can select. Hmm.
Okay.
As another thing, somebody mentioned Abu Saji. He started. He sent a message to me. Remember that you have to send the message to Ahmad, not to me. Hmm. Somebody mentioned in chat.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So I'll go first, sir.
Okay, Abu.
So basically,
You can
basically
switch on
my
your video,
model.
pa. Switch on your video. Why?
Sir, my internet is like quite slow.
Oh, okay.
So it'll
Yes,
break in.
proceed.
Okay, sir. So basically, I'll go for a franchise model because it's hard to earn the people's trust in the beginning. So as you showed in the study, like rings and roses. So I'll go to if I can, I'll go to them and I'll be the franchisee and they'll be the franchisor. So I can take the name and their credibility, like their customers, and I can start venture in Kerala.
Oh.
So basically, if people know about them, they can approach me directly, and like I can lease their actions and the way of the way they do it and their performance, etc. So first of all, I should do is like I should learn the cultural difference. Like in Bangalore, it's different. The wedding and everything is different from Kerala. So first, I have to do a research and study about that. Then I'll provide the franchisor. I can do it. Like I can, they can trust me. And I can do the work, and yeah, and I'll maintain the standards and their code of conduct, everything according to what they prefer, and they will be given a fee or a remuneration like for the franchise they give me, and it can be up to like the range of the cost. Like the customer who wants to do a wedding plan for 50,000 rupees, they can do it, and it can go up to 10 lakh. So it can differ. It's not only assigned to a particular class. It can be also from the middle class and the rich also. So that's what I'm thinking. And it depends upon the geography. Like in some places of Kerala, it's much more cheaper to do the wedding work, and in some it's like expensive. So it depends on that. And as you mentioned, the mask, like mask is becoming a trend. So instead of wearing a golden mask, it will cover the face. So instead of that, we can go for a transparent mask. It's becoming a trend right now, a transparent mask. So when we take a picture, or a picture is very important in this wedding. So when we take a picture, they can see the face as well as they are protected also. So it can go on both ways.
Good. Very unique thing, transparent mask. Hearing first time, nice. Abu, another thing, in case of Kerala, I came to know that the lease or for elephant will be cost more because there will be a huge person. You need elephant to bring that one. How you will adjust all these things?
Yeah, it depends on the culture. Like for Hindus, they prefer elephant, but for Christians and Muslims, and even I can reduce the budget because right now COVID is going on and less people can only join weddings. So yeah, so the budget can also be reduced.
Okay, good. Yes, Ahmad, you can tell
Thank
the
you, sir.
next person. Thank you.
Still waiting, sir. Should I itself call people out?
Yes, you can call. Don't worry.
All right, sir. Let's just go with the list I have in front. Adarsh, 19 CS.
Yes, others. No news from others. Then I have to note down separately those who are not. I mean, because this recording is going on. Others. What happened to others? Okay, Ahmed, you can call next.
All right, sir. Next, we have Ajit Kumar.
So, sir, last time I spoke, so I want to give chance to others.
Yes, anyhow, you can tell your just a business model in single line and close. I know you
Okay,
are all.
I'm gonna use franchising, sir,
Hmm.
and I'm gonna develop a website where I can I want to cover all over all India because we have different kind of cultures, and as you all know, the India is famous for the culture. So in that, I'm gonna um add like a destination wedding because we have very beautiful places in India, and
Okay. Okay,
Because
Ajit.
it's not compulsory that the northern people they want to marry in the north and the southern people they want to marry in the south. So the destination wedding can help in that.
Oh, nice. You can combine both north and south.
Yes, sir.
Mm, very
That's
nice.
it. That's it, sir.
Okay, Ajit. Yes, Ahmad, you can call others.
Yes, sir. Next we have Divya, sir.
Divya. Mm,
Okay, sir.
mm.
So as my primary was like
Divya, switch on your video, ma.
so,
I
I
am unable to see. If I see you inside the college by next month, I can't recognize you.
I have network issues, sir. If I switch on the video, I'll just get disconnected, so I can't.
Okay. Mm,
Yes, sir. So as my primary business, as you said that like fixing up the prices and all. So
mm,
I, as a wedding planner, I can just put forward like different packages,
mm,
like different fee ranges, so that the customer, whichever package is suitable for them, they can just go with it. And also we can additionally customize it for them as well in their budget. So we can fix the price as well. So, and for the secondary model, I would like to go with marketplace,
mm,
so that even like planning is my thing, but I can just, give a marketplace for like accessories, clothing, so that they have it all in one place. So yeah.
So how will you say everything in one place? Because wedding planner mean each and everything is something different. Catering is different, dresses different, event management is different.
Yes, sir. But at least some of this, like the jewelries and accessories, they can like access it
Mm,
from there. Clothing, they can like access it from there. Like I can provide marketplaces for different like
mhm,
the startup companies, or like helping each other out.
mm.
So I can just support the others also.
Okay. But your business model is marketplace model. Mm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Divya. Okay, Ahmad, you can call next.
Yes, sir. Next we have Anish Matthew.
Anish. Come on, Anish. Anish, you can unmute and talk. I'm able to see image of Anish. Anish, what happened? I have to note down who are all there. 1002 computer science. Anish, okay, Ahmad, you can go to next.
All right, sir. Next we have Josbin, sir.
Jospin. Jospin, what happened? Then I have to mark absent only. Hmm. Yes, Jospin. Okay, Ahmad, go to next.
All right, sir. Next we have Nirmol.
Nirmal. Nirmal, all from CS. CS means computer science. I will inform Kumar sir and Muran sir. Then, okay, he is also not there. You can call somebody else.
Okay, sir. We have Romy Benny.
Romy Benny.
So,
Yes, Romy, good.
my business model will be like leasing the products, like the car they would like to travel in the marriage, then um costumes
Mm,
and the ornaments also we can lease them. So,
mm,
and uh, we can connect them to different like decorations and can food, and we can manage a limited amount. We can limit the expense.
mm.
That's it.
That's all. What is the model you are preferring
And
among we have discussed?
um, then I will go for franchising, sir.
Franchising. So everybody is moving towards franchising now. Mm, okay. Where
Yes.
you are from?
I'm from Idiki, sir.
DQI you told on the day. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Sayuj is in the waiting room.
Who?
Sayuj.
Anish. No, Anish is in waiting room. I already permitted. Nobody is in waiting room, pa. Okay, Ahmad, you can call next.
Okay, so next we have Senji.
Senji. Senji. I will note down all these numbers.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, you're coming. Good.
So I was also thinking about a franchising one, just like everyone. There were certain groups like some will be only doing decorations and some will be only in food and like all things. So I will be a mediator who connects all this and will do to the needed person in a low budget or in a high budget. Like, so
What will be your price? How much you will charge for a medium marriage?
like if it's a medium marriage, they won't be interested in much decoration, so we can reduce the rate in that also. If in a Christian wedding, they'll be needing for decorating inside the church, inside the hall, there'll be much more. So if a person needs only less one, we can short that in the church. If the decorations are less in the church, the rate would decrease.
So for your wedding, how much you are ready to give for a wedding planner?
That's my dad's decision, sir.
Why? You have to decide, Anyway, you will have some dream. Huh?
No, that's dream, sir.
Yeah?
That's according to my father, how he wishes to give the money, I'll be fine with that, sir.
No, so according to you, you are not the customer. Your dad is the customer for wedding planner. Huh? How will you say? You have to decide. You are having some dream, no? Anyhow, you will inform your mother for telling your dad to satisfy your dream. Finally, your dream will be satisfied. Huh?
No, sir, I don't have much dream, sir. I am planning for a small wedding.
Small wedding. Why? Now everybody is even telecasting in YouTube channels, everything. Okay, tell me budgeted amount. You'll see. Don't worry.
So I haven't done a budget or something. I don't know the price and all for a person like doing for this type of things. If we know the price only, I can say actually. But
anyhow, you will have some dream, no? That is what. So you are coming now. You are now a graduate who are studying now computer science. Okay, computer science means you will know the world. You are not a kid. You will know the price something. So you will have a dream. Okay, we have to spend at least 10 lakh rupees, 20 lakhs, like that. Okay. What is your maximum limit? Huh?
So I may go for 5 lakhs or something. So.
5 lakhs only. What? Wait, okay. Based upon I have to plan my son's marriage. Okay. Good, son.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Ahmad, you can call next.
All right, next we have Feby George, sir.
Feby George. Yes, come on, Feby. Oh, usually good. Feby George. Not coming. I think some issues. It's not displaying the name. Okay, you can call next time.
All right, so next we have Vicky.
Vicky or Jiki?
Vicky. Sorry, Jiki V Sam.
Jiki Sam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jiki will tell different ideas. Come on, Jiki.
Since I'm a beginner, I'll get simply start up with a website with some key details about my property, like photos, availability, and my contact details. Then get in touch with my local wedding planners and important companies, and let them know that I'm in the business. And as time passes, I'll be able to update my facilities, like adding an outdoor power supply and water source. And I plan to build a preferred supplier list that my clients can use, and I can gain extra revenue by charging my suppliers a commission for each successful referral.
Commission based, nice. So according to you, you will get more commission because wedding plan involved in different area. Good.
Yes.
So how much you are going to charge in a wedding? Maximum.
Sir, in India, the wedding, there is sky is the limit, sir. Literally.
Sky is the limit. Good. Anyhow, you will have some plan. When you are seeing a particular person, you will fix this person will spend so much of amount only.
Yes, sir. Like one of my friend had a big wedding that went up to 60 lakhs.
60 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
So good. So out of 60 lakhs, you will get commission of minimum 10 lakhs.
Yes, sir. Like always, you can dream big, sir.
Dream big. Very good. That's what we need. Dream big. Even you can plan for a big wedding session. See that one, how these wedding planners are now attracting that one. I know in Bangalore recently, one of our faculty member wedding event, they spent around near 60, likewise, I think they mentioned 75 lakhs, around 1 crore. Everything they planned, but the parent of the bride or bridegroom, they need not worry. Everything risk has been given to another person. Okay.
Because marriage is not like every time; it's only once. So you
Only
go
once.
to the fullest. So
Yes, because the customer won't be repeated.
yes,
That is the thing here. Very good. So identify the USP in wedding planner. Other business, it is not like that. If you are selling a product, we have to sell another time. But wedding planner is not like that. The customer is not like that. They may refer to others. Only thing. Good. GK. Yes, Ahmad, you can call next.
Yes, sir. We have Sanu.
Who is
Can
name?
Sir, Raksha from Life Science.
Raksha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
as
Raksha.
as a wedding planner, I should satisfy my customers now. So I can give them, put up some package details as someone said before. I can give them different packages. According to that, they can choose whatever they want. And then I can collab with some other brands or company for dresses, caterers, photography, and then DJ even. So whoever's coming with that package, they can get extra discount or something like that. And as a whole package.
So you will give a particular package to you, designed by you. You will design the package and give it to them.
Yeah, I can give them an offer. So whoever is taking, they can get extra discount according to that package.
So what will be your secondary model then?
So I can only offer this much. So yeah, that's it, sir.
That means you have not seen the previous videos. Okay. Very good, Raksha. So see that one, her views are different. She used to create different packages. Among the thing, the pricing is based upon the package. So Raksha, how much you will charge for a medium wedding? Typically, where you are now? Sir. You are in Bangalore or in somewhere?
I am from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Tamil Nadu where?
Tamil Nadu, Chennai.
Chennai, okay. Typically in Chennai, how you will charge for a particular
more than 1 lakh.
More than 1 lakh only.
Yes,
very small amount.
Because it depends, sir. I can charge till 10 lakhs or something because I'm giving a lot of offers like all these things, DJ, photography, everything. So I can charge them not less than 1 lakh.
Not less than 1 lakh. Okay. I have visited once that KK Nagar nearby Ashok Nagar church one wedding. And they used to call entire members from the church and everywhere. And they used to organize in a big manner. That's why in Chennai, but they are having the marriage program evening. So the cost will be less. I think so.
Even we have beach wedding.
Beach wedding. Oh, nice. So we have to see what beach wedding. Definitely. So your wedding, you are planning for beach wedding?
Not sure, sir.
Yes. Okay, Raksha, good. Thank you. Next, Ahmad.
Yes, sir. Sir Sanu Varghese.
Sanu Varghese. Number 19 CS 901009. Yes, Sanu. Yes, Sanu.
Sir, even I also thought that package thing also.
You have to unlearn and okay, what type of packages you will include, you can tell.
Sir, like veg separate, non-veg separate, and like grand wedding kind of.
What are all the components in the grand wedding? Nowadays, vegetarian, non-vegetarian is like that. Everywhere you can go,
Sir,
vegetarian separate place, non-vegetarian in the same wedding.
Sir, continental, multi-cuisine, like that, many types of food.
You are thinking only about catering.
Not only catering, sir. Even the program also, sir. The DJ night. And
what are all let us assume for your marriage, what are all the things you are expecting?
Sir, first of all, the traveling, sir. How the bride and the groom should come. Then the location where they have to get married, like if they're opting for beach like that, or some foreign countries like that. Then food, then the party, what they say like that.
There are other things, there are decorations, everything.
Yeah, it will and all include in this package only.
So what type of business model you are expecting? Any business model?
No, sir.
No, you are not discussed about that one. Okay, what is your budget for your marriage?
My marriage, I don't know.
Why? You have to come forward, you know. You are in home. Ask your dad and tell
Come
me.
almost to 10 lakhs, sir.
10 lakhs. Where you are in Bangalore?
Yeah, sir, Bangalore.
Bangalore, 10 lakhs means maybe simple marriage only. Now, in case of Bangalore, minimum marriage cost goes to 20 lakhs. So, I think your father has done a very good job. That is why you are fixing only a target as 10 lakhs. Okay, nice, Anu.
Yes, sir. Next,
yes.
we have Ruby Roy.
Ruby Roy.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Okay, Ruby will give some new inputs.
I wish, but everything is pretty much covered up. Okay, so.
Yes, you are in home only. You can ask your mother. If your grandmother is there, she will give more inputs. Others also, those who are going to come, you can ask your grandparents. If you are in home, they will give you a very different clue.
They will only talk about the guy. Sir, I need to first make contacts with other marketplaces like for clothes and all, especially for clothes and destinations as well. I need to figure out what kind of, I need to understand what people actually need. If it is minimalistic wedding, like they don't need so extravagant decorations and all, minimalistic. And then I think I'll have different packages depending on how they like the wedding. Not only just about the cost, but about the way they want the wedding. For example, if there was recent wedding that happened in which they had zero waste wedding planned.
Oh, nice. Zero waste.
Exactly. So that so I will put forward all my packages that I have, but also these which have a social value to it, like zero waste and all. And their decorations were all recycled, but still it looked very, very pretty. So I'll definitely ask them if they are interested in that. Yeah, and then because I need to connect with all the market regarding food and all, catering business, clothes, jewelry, everything, destination especially.
So your unique plan is zero waste. That I appreciate. Nice thing. So what is your budget for your budget wedding?
I have no idea.
You can ask your mama. She's nearby you
Started
only.
right now.
Huh?
So, yeah. So my father owns a studio. So just for camera itself, just for photography itself, it can go above 1 lakh. So
oh, photograph itself. Ah, nice.
Yeah. I mean, including the engagement and wedding, everything total goes beyond 1 lakh.
So photograph itself 1 lakh. Yeah. Then total wedding.
It also depends on the need of that customer. Like if they want helicams and all, there are different packages. If they want a simple one, it can come under 50,000. But if they want helicams and all, those fancy things, so that will.
Now everybody needs helicam. Huh?
Yeah.
The drone they are catching. Huh?
Yes, yes,
and it should be in VR mode also now.
Yeah, it depends on the equipment that we are using.
Okay, nice, Ruby. So I have to attend your wedding finally, huh? To see that one.
Definitely.
Good. Okay, Ahmad, next.
Next we have Nitish Kumar, sir.
Nitish will also give new idea.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Am I audible,
Nitish.
sir?
Yes, audible, Nitish.
Sir, I'm going to take a model, business model. It's like leasing, sir.
Yes.
Leasing model, sir.
Oh, nice. So, good.
Yeah, sir. Over here, like I will provide my customer like options, sir. Like a different place. It will be either if they love nature, they can use like mountain sceneries, even a seashore, even a palace also we can use, sir. So price will be depend on the palace, depend on the places only, sir. So according to their wish, they can able to choose whatever they want to, wherever their marriage want to take place. And then my secondary model will be tourism, sir.
Oh, good. Marriage tourism. Nice.
Yeah, sir.
Like medical tourism. I recently had in case of one of the person from Palakkad. Nice, Nitish. Tell me.
Yeah, sir. It will be memorable for them also, sir. Like a new married couple as well as along with their family, if they are going for some particular place, means it will be so memorable. Even after a year, they can able to remember. It will be like that. That's it, sir.
So how much you will charge?
Charging, if you take marriage itself, it will be go around about 10 lakh only, sir.
About 10 lakh?
Yeah, that's what.
So your budget will be a very big one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nitish. Then what about your marriage? How much your dream?
Sir, first of all, we have to find some girl. Then only marriage.
That is different. That anybody will say. Anyhow, you will have a dream. Your mother might have informed you about that one. How much you are going to spend?
Before a dream, we have to know, no, sir. In that time, after 10 years, what is my status? What is my... It is dependent on my job only, no, sir.
Oh, according to you, it depends on someone's job. Okay, let us assume you are going to be a CEO of an organization after 10 years. Where your marriage will going to be held? Tell me. You will choose palace, or you will choose some resort, or you will choose some separate island, or even in space.
Okay, sir. You also told no, sir. Any one place, sir.
You can tell me. You can know your dream. Come on.
No dream like that and all, sir. First I have to complete embassy.
It is not like that. That is, each and every entrepreneur should have a dream. If you are having a dream for your marriage, then automatically you will plan for others' marriage nicely. Okay.
I will choose island, sir.
Island, very nice.
Yes, sir.
Good. Nitish will select the island. So you will arrange one separate ship to travel there.
Why not, sir? We will arrange some helicopter also, sir. Like
helicopter means it will reach the spot quickly, If you arrange ship, we'll travel in a cruise ship.
Okay.
It will create another income for you.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, Nitish. Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ahmed, next.
Yes, sir. Next we have Sabah Samarin, sir.
Sabah Samarin.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir, I would prefer a marketplace kind of business model where we would give the opportunities to the small vendors. In this way, we even they'll earn and even we learn. We'll have the contacts of small fashion designers that are starting up their businesses, then jewelry designers, and then this decoration planners and all, catering and stuff. And then and I'll prefer going for a customization for the price. Like people have different choices and their taste differ, so does the price. So basically, like the wedding dresses, I'll give this freedom to the customer to select their material of wedding dresses and the flowers which they want, the food they want in their wedding and stuff. So the prices would be based on customization.
So you will customize or they will customize?
Based on their choices, we'll decide the price.
But usually parents will tell one thing, bride will tell another thing. How you will match?
That's their problem, sir. Like they have to come to a conclusion and give it to us.
But they won't take any decision, you know.
Yeah. But probably we could go for a middle way, not them, not the bride side, not the parents.
Then both will be dissatisfied. How
That's,
you will
making them agree to this is an art. So probably.
Good. That's what I like. It is an art how you are going to make them to agree. That needs negotiation skill.
Yes.
This is the, in case of entrepreneurship like this type of thing, you need a negotiation skill for that one. Good, Sabha.
Yes.
Then your dream about your marriage, how much you are going to spend?
Sir, I'll prefer my career first and then think of it later.
Yes, I am not asking that. What will be your total budget?
Probably like I would be having a home wedding, then save my money and travel the world.
Oh, nice home wedding. You can see her dream. So you will spend less than 1 lakh rupees.
I don't know, sir. That
where
is not my problem.
In Bangalore?
Yeah, based Bangalore only you can think. It's like I've spent different stages of my life in different places. So Bangalore is my hometown, but I haven't stayed here for much time.
Okay. Anyhow, if you are in Bangalore, you have to spend 5 lakhs. So I am asking, the budget is very tough in case of wedding planner. Everybody should understand it.
Yes, sir.
That is the core thing because wherever you are going as a wedding planner, they will ask this question: what is your budget if you are doing all these things? Based upon the budget only, they will tell everything.
Yes.
Okay, ma. Good, Sabha. Next, Ahmad.
Yes, so next we have Shion Anto.
Shion Anto. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shion.
I would choose customization model.
Customization model, same thing. Huh?
Yeah, because all events or any events, even marriages, it should be different each time. It should change every time. It should be unique each time. So I think each time we have to bring something new. Like when this helicams or drones came, that was a new thing actually. So that is it should be different every time.
What you will plan as something new?
That is the hardest part, sir. To plan
that is your USP, no? Everybody will say this should not happen to others. Huh? Even in case of Taj Mahal example, we used to know that the person who constructed the Taj Mahal finally said that he used to cut down the fingers. The reason is nobody should construct a Taj Mahal. Likewise, these bridegrooms and everybody will tell you that this should be a unique marriage. How you like this?
Yeah, they would say it should be unique marriage. So
how you will satisfy them? How you will satisfy such person?
We should understand their needs. Like before what Sabha said, she told that if both of them, like parents and bride, they have two different ways of telling. Like if one person needs like too costly part of it, if it was me, I would support the costly side because I need to get profit. So I would support that.
Then what about your profit? That is important, you know. Entrepreneurship means profit is essential.
So I would prefer to how I get my profit. I would help them actually.
Yeah. Then your marriage. How much you are going to spend?
My marriage, if I have a lot of money, I would choose 50 lakhs.
50 lakhs. Oh,
If
your
I have money,
grandmother, your
if I have so much
grandmother
money.
is there. Where you are staying now?
Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore only. With your grandparents or with your
No. Parents.
Oh, okay, then you are very good. 50 lakhs in Bangalore is medium only now.
Yeah, mediums.
Okay, nice, Sean. Okay, Ahmad, you can
Thank you,
call
sir.
next. Good.
Next, I'll only go, sir.
Who?
I'll only go, sir.
Why? Oh, others are not coming.
No, sir. Till that time they come, I'll finish off mine also, sir.
Okay, Ahmad, you can finish you.
So
Start.
basically, I don't want to go with the traditional wedding planning, sir. But that everybody does. So my event organization will only do themed wedding plans. That is, we can give them underwater wedding.
Underwater wedding.
That has happened.
Oh, nicely.
It is
Yes,
very...
Singapore, I visited one aquarium.
Yes, sir. So we can do that. The priest and all will have all the snorkeling thing and with oxygen tank and all, and everybody will be there and sit and enjoy, sir. Then we can also have all these motorbike fanatics who are there, full of super bikes. So we can give everybody out for rent, and have one place where they can have a wedding over there. So basically, only themed weddings, sir. No traditional wedding at all.
Oh, you are planning for in maybe adventure wedding, huh? Under theme, under the water, even in the space, huh? Even the top of the hill.
Yes, sir. Anywhere, whatever, but no traditional method where you just sit and you look at the bride and groom, watch and eat and go. No, sir. This has to be more adrenaline rush. So budget is a lot, sir. They have to have nice money in order to get this done. Starting package only will be 50 lakhs or probably 1 crore, depending on
1 crore. Good. So your dream is very big, 1 crore. So you will get more income from different persons. Huh?
Yes.
Good, Ahmad. Then for your marriage, same adventure you are expecting?
No, sir. Simple wedding, sir.
Why? You are good. Oh, that is the leverage effect. You want your wedding to be simple, others' wedding to be big, empowering others. Huh?
Yes,
you are from which place?
From Mysore, sir.
Mysore. Oh, nice. Good. So, entire Mysore, what is that? Palace you will occupy for your marriage.
No need, sir. House is enough.
You have to plan. Somebody told you, we need to have marriage in palaces also.
Yes, sir. I heard everything that.
Okay, good, Ahmad. Call next.
All right, sir. Next we have Kirtana.
Kirtana, good.
Sir?
Yes, Kirtana, come on.
I would choose most traditional and religious kind of one. My plan would stick to that. Yeah, like typical Hindu kind of marriage or typical Christian. It's completely based on religion. Not it just does. Happens in one day or something like that. A week together. That's how I know how Hindu weddings happen. I basically stick on to a typical Hindu kind of wedding, so following all.
So 7 days wedding.
No, sir. It actually depends. It's some odd number of days, sir.
Oh.
Yeah. That's all, sir.
There recently I saw in one Telugu movie which mentioned about the, I can't know the name of the film, a very big wedding. The entire film is around the wedding. They used to call everybody and everybody will be there.
Varudu, sir. That movie name is Varudu.
Varudu.
Allu Arjun, sir. Hero
yes,
Allu Arjun.
Yes. Such type. I think Kirtana is expecting to organize such type of marriage, Kirtana?
Not everyone though, sir. Yes, sir. It depends on the customer, sir.
But it will be very costly, you must know all these things.
Yeah, yes, sir. Everyone they're putting more money, so when they can spend 1 crore on something adventure thing, why not on tradition things?
Yes.
That's my opinion.
You are from which place?
Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore, okay. Yeah. That is nice. Usually in Bangalore, nobody will tell these things. They will tell differently. But
yes,
for telling things. Okay, kids. So what is your budget for your marriage?
I don't know, sir. It will very simple thing in a very typical old.
You are able to tell. Then only you are able to plan. I am asking not for joke, but you must be able to plan as an entrepreneur. indirectly this exercise will tell you how you are going to acquire the capital for that one.
I'll make it within 5 lakhs, sir.
5
within
lakhs.
5 lakhs.
But it is a very tough job in Bangalore. Within 5 lakhs means.
Yes, sir. In the sense, those 5 lakhs would be spent for only relative saree, dresses, things like that. When it comes to special, muhurtam thing, it will be very simple, sir. When it is temple, it is simple.
Simple one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kirtana. Okay, Ahmad. Next.
So next we have Angel.
Angel. Yes, come on, Angel.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, Angel.
Sir, yeah, so I would like to go for a customization model. So it depends on the client, how they want it. So if they are big shots, they can go for a grand wedding. But then otherwise, most of the families who cannot afford a big wedding, we can customize for them. Like we can arrange affordable catering services or makeup artists or fashion designers, so that they can get something which is satisfactory but in a low budget, something like think global and buy local.
Oh, nice.
So everything will provide in a very good way in a low budget for them. So we'll customize according to the client's need. Yeah,
so how much you will charge for a small wedding?
A small wedding, maybe around 30 to 40,000.
That's all. 30 to 40,000 capital is enough.
It depends on the client, right? So their family background and everything. It's for each client, it depends on their budget. So according to that, because there are many families who dream of having at least a normal wedding, the small families. For them, at least we customize something, which will look very good. Then I think it would be a great job.
So according to you will customize according to their requirements.
Yeah.
Okay. You are in Bangalore?
No, sir, Pune.
Pune. Oh, nice. From Pune, you are expecting a very less means it is a miracle for me. Okay. What is your budget for your marriage?
I don't know much about it, but then I think around 50 to 60 lakhs.
50 to 60 lakhs. Oh, then your grandmother, grandparents will contribute. Okay, good, Angel. Since you are in house, I am asking. So you can see the budgets, how each and every person is having this thing. This is the financial feasibility. You must know how you itself you are able to plan for the finance. Okay, good, Angel. Ahmad, you can call next.
Yes, and next we have Justin.
Justin, Justin will also say something new story.
Sir?
Yes, Justin.
Sir, so my model will be subscription-based model, sir.
Subscription-based model. Yes, for even for wedding.
Yes, sir.
How you will go for subscription model?
Okay, so as how Amazon and Netflix collects a premium before I would collect a amount which is a premium. And to sort of the expenses, like the upcoming expenses. And the rest of the cost would be collected based on what the party uses or the customer uses. And not on everything. On everything won't be charged, sir. So example, food. Most of the wedding, the food goes to waste. So just collect the money for what has been used by the customer. Same way for other decorations and camera and everything, sir.
Okay, it is something interesting to add about subscription model. I came to know that one in Kolkata region, just for 6 years back, that is prior to marriage itself, they will go for this thing. That is depositing around 25,000 per month or 25,000 per year, and it will be used for the subscription model. After 6 years, they will spend for the marriage. I think even the Life Insurance Corporation once created this type of thing. Once a girl child born, they used to have such type of girl marriage. I think he is creating something new from this model. Yes, Justin, where you are from?
Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore. So your budget for your marriage?
25 to 30 lakhs, sir.
Oh, very less only.
Yes, sir.
You are not consulted with your mom?
Not yet, sir.
Why? Might I asked? Good, Justin. Ahmed, you can call next. You think maximum 2 persons?
Sir, next we have Sandra, sir.
Sandra. Yes, Sandra.
So I think I would first choose a customization model. Since it's like a startup, we have to earn the trust of the customers. So what we can do is whatever they require, the client requires, we can customize according to their needs. And then move on. Like maybe we could also add like a COVID package kind of thing.
COVID package marriage. Nice.
Yeah.
You are having a new thing, COVID package.
Yeah. So since it's COVID time, if anyone wants to do a marriage around this time, maybe we could, according to the necessary needs, we could do a COVID package, whatever is required. And then the package rate, I was thinking for people who can't afford so much, maybe we could do a minimum of 5 lakhs. Minimum.
5 lakhs, minimum.
Minimum, yeah. And then it depends. It can go to moderate scale to grand scale. And then for secondary model, I thought of leasing and freemium. Leasing, basically for the bride and groom attires. I had read somewhere that there's this particular model where they rent for a day for the bride.
Oh, nice. Good.
Yeah. So even if it's low budget customers, we could provide them a very good designer attire for the bride and groom. So leasing is one. And freemium I wanted to do because initially, in order to attract the customers, we need to give some special features or something like that, like arranging the arrival of the bride and groom or something like special just for them. Something extra just to attract the customers. So that's why I want to do freemium.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
So you have mentioned very important point, rental. You can hire from some of the decorations, everything are already used. You can make it in a different manner.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, Sandra, what is your budget for your marriage?
No budget, sir. I haven't.
No budget.
I mean, I haven't thought of it, sir. I'm not sure.
That your father might have told you, no?
No, sir. Not yet.
Not yet. Where you are? In Bangalore?
No, right now I'm in Bahrain, sir. I'm from Kerala.
Bahrain. Okay. Your marriage will happen only in Kerala.
Mostly. I don't know, sir. Not sure.
You don't know? Okay.
I would prefer a simple medium wedding, sir.
Okay. Since you are in Bahrain, you are telling. So, but your father or mother-in-law, your grandparents, they will have a different opinion.
Not sure, sir. We have to wait and see.
Okay, good. Ahmed, last person you can call.
Okay, sir. Last person we have Minu, sir.
Minu. Yes, Minu.
Sir, can you hear
Minu
me?
Bhardi. Okay, yes.
So I'd be choosing reverse razor blade model, sir.
Oh,
That
nice.
is-
Reverse razor blade model.
Yeah, they have to pay a whole sum of amount. They have to deposit, and others will be add on, because from what I've seen, the feel is more important. I mean, the experience is more important than the commodity itself.
Yes.
So I think they would be liking this kind of business model, and they'd come to my brand, and my brand would basically focus on intercultural marriages, sir, or multicultural,
Intercultural.
or multicultural. Like people nowadays are preferring weddings from other countries, or if it's gonna be a different country wedding. So yeah, that's the thing, sir.
So nice. You clearly mentioned feelings. How the audience coming to the marriage, they are feeling. Based upon that, you will create the model. Okay. So what is your budget for your marriage?
I haven't thought about it, sir.
Why? You are in Chennai. You told on the other day, huh?
Yes, sir. I'm in Chennai.
So your budget will be big.
Not necessarily, sir. I haven't given a thought about it yet. Yeah.
You are living with your parents, no?
Yes, sir.
Then your dad might have informed you, he will spend so much of money for you.
So that would depend on my career, sir, because it's gonna be my
everybody
wedding,
is saying they depend upon the career. Okay, good, Okay, Ahmad, you can sum up, and then we'll wind up.
So basically, everybody mostly chose the franchisee model and had their wedding plan budgets from 1 lakh to about 60 lakhs. That was the range that we found. Many people spoke about how they would get in new things like the transparent mask, the destination wedding, the everything model. Then one person wanted to focus on decoration, and also the commission model where he would have networking with other people and then get commission as he sent clients over there. We also had a zero waste green wedding.
Nice.
And we also had a COVID wedding and leasing for tourism, sir.
Oh, good. Good, Ahmad. Very good conclusion. So everything Ahmad clearly told. The purpose of the case study is you must know when you are starting the venture, you can see in case of wedding planner, what are the things you must know. So based upon number of discussion, it comes. Well, if you want to start a business, what are all things we needed? That is why this act as a brainstorming session. Okay. With this, I hope you will know what are all the things we need in case of very important thing, the budget. You have to plan. That only shows your planning method. Okay. Thank you. With this, we'll wind up the class. Okay. Bye. See you.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.